Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this new Toyota Sienna XLE. Now the most notable features on this XLE is its power liftgate. You also have your power moonroof along with your heated front seats. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this new Toyota Sienna XLE. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this XLE is its daytime running lights. You also have your fog lamps, and then if we take a closer look just over on the side here, you're going to see your 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Now you also have your foldable mirrors as well as your heated mirrors, and if we take a look on the inside of the mirror here, you'll see your blind spot monitoring indicator. Now with your blind spot monitoring indicator, it'll actually light up just alerting you that there is another vehicle right beside you. You do also have the smart key system. So with the smart key system, you can lock all the doors simultaneously just by pushing on the two little lines you see there on the handle. Push on it once, it'll lock all the doors automatically, and then if you put your hand between the handle, it'll unlock the front door for you as well. Now the other nice thing is you have the second row here, and they're captain seats. And then taking a look at the windows there, you are going to see the window visor, or sunshade visors I should say. The nice thing with that is it can block out some of that sun just when you're going on one of those long trips. And if we take a look just on the inside of the door here, you'll find the close button. And then all you have to do is push on it once and it will close automatically for you. Now, parents, if you're worried about your kids getting their arm or hand jammed into the door does have the jam protection feature, so in the event that the door does sense there is an obstruction in the way, it'll open itself back up automatically. And it closes back up from the outside. Just pull on the handle once more, and it will close for you. Now, the color we're going to be taking a look at today is Toasted Walnut Pearl. Now, to start off with, we're going to be taking a look at your front dash as well as your front seats, just so you have a much better idea of how much space there is. Now, as you can see, you have your leather seat surfaces with your power driver seat lumbar support. Taking a look just over on your left-hand side, you'll see your traction control on and off with your rear parking sensors on and off, and then you'll also find some storage space for some coin. On the inside of your driver's side door, you have your mirror controls, window locks, power locks, and window controls, both your front and rear windows. Now, a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your volume control, scroll function, mode select, voice recognition, Bluetooth, scroll function for your multi-informational display with your lane departure alert, and cruise control. Now you do have the push button start, so all you have to do is put your foot on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. Now, taking a look at the multi-informational display, you're going to see a couple of different options on there, which include a digital speedometer with a distance to empty, your fuel economy, all-wheel drive monitor. You can also go through your navigation, your audio, your lane departure alert, messages, and then your settings for your ECT power, blind spot monitoring on and off, along with your rear cross traffic alert on and off, and then you also have your pre-collision system, as well as your lane departure alert and a couple of other additional features. Now at the very top of the screen, you'll also see an exterior temperature gauge. Now taking a look at the center dash as well as the touch panel display, you're going to see a couple of different options on there. So if you head inside the menu screen, you'll find your destination, audio, phone, as well as a couple of other additional features. Now the nice thing is when you go inside the apps menu, this is all part of the Entune app suite. So as long as you have it on your phone, you can use such apps as the Slacker app, which allows you to stream your music from your phone onto your touch panel display. You can also check local fuel prices, or if you want, you can stay up to date on the latest sports scores as well, just depending on what your preferences are. You also have that XM satellite radio on there as well. And located just down below here, you have your temperature control settings for your dual zone climate control with your rear temperature controls located down below, mounted to an automatic transmission. You also have your hazard lights, and then located down below, you'll see your heated seat controls for your driver and passenger with your USB and auxiliary input with your power outlet and an additional one just located down below. Now, at the very top here, you have your auto-dimming rearview mirror with integrated garage door opener. And if we take a look at the very top here, you'll find your open and close for your power sliding rear doors, your power liftgate, open and close for your power moonroof, and then you also have the SOS Safety Connect. So in the event that you're in a collision and you're unable to respond, emergency services will be sent out to you right away just to make sure that you're alright. And taking a look on the inside, you'll find your sunglass case holder with an additional mirror on the inside just so you can keep an eye on the kids just while you're driving. And then if I just throw this into reverse here, your backup camera has those nice guiding lines on there, making things much easier for you when you're trying to back into a stall. But you also have the guiding lines as well, so when you turn your steering wheel, those lines will actually turn as well. And you can also change up the view for your backup camera, giving you a more dynamic view or the traditional backup camera view itself. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate, now located on your rear bumper. You're going to see your parking sensors just located right across. On the back of the tailgate, you'll find your backup camera just on your left-hand side and your rear hatch release located just underneath your Sienna emblem. Now, I'm just going to close in on the rear cargo space just so you have a much better idea of how much room there is. So you do have some additional storage space just located over on your left-hand side. And then as you can see, you can actually store your seats just inside the floor there. So if you want to actually fold these seats up, all you have to do is just pull on this piece right here to make sure the flap goes up. Now, if you do forget how the seats actually fold or unfold, the instructions are just located on the back of the seat there. But all you have to do next is just pull on this piece here, make sure it locks itself into place, and then if you pull on the strap that's located on the far side here and tilt it back to the desired position. Now, the reason why I say desired position is that you can actually readjust it so you're a little bit more comfortable on the ride. And the other great thing is you do have the power tailgate, so once you're all finished up, all you have to do is push on the button once and it will close for you automatically, making things much easier for you when you have your hands full of grocery bags or the kids' sports bags. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. The phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.